Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Singh. Welcome to the session 2 on sleep and memory. In this section, I will introduce you to the basics of memory at cell level and the effects of different stages of sleep on memory. When we are awake, our brains are in prime state for learning. A key chemical called acetylcholine shoots up, which allows a specific brain area, the hippocampus, to focus entirely on absorbing new facts. At the same time, the brain cleverly blocks out feedback from your long term memory stores. This brilliant design choice prevents old memories from interfering with the present, keeping your mind fully focused on actively recording new experiences without any distraction. Every memory you have goes through a fascinating three-step cycle. First is encoding, when your brain translates everyday sights, sounds, and touches into an electrical language your nervous system understands. Next comes consolidation, a crucial phase where the hippocampus hands off information to the neocortex, stabilizing it for permanent storage. Finally, when you remember something, you use retrieval. This is actually a reconstructive process. Your brain reactivates the original neural pathway, which temporarily makes the memory pliable and open to subtle changes before it settles down into your mind. Sensory inputs from our surroundings, such as visual, hearing, and touching, are captured by our senses or sense organs. Next, our nervous system translates these external signals into a specific electrochemical language. These translated electrical and chemical signals are registered in the brain, laying the foundation for creating memories. Our brain's hippocampus, in close association with the limbic system, determines what is worthy of memory. The brain's hippocampus sends signals straight to the limbic system, which is brain's emotional and behavioral command center, activating either our punishment centers, which handle pain and aversion, or our reward centers, which spark pleasure and happiness. Together, these centers constantly shape our daily mood and what drives us. This system also creates a powerful internal push to remember both our unpleasant and pleasant experiences. There are about 86 billion neurons or nerve cells in a normal human brain, ranging between 78 to 89 billions. Neurons are not evenly distributed across the brain. The cerebral cortex, responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, memory, and decision making, contains about 20%, means 16 billion neurons, while the cerebellum, which coordinates motor control and balance, contains the majority, approximately 69 billion neurons, or 80% of the total population. Before we delve deeper into memory section, a brief introduction to the synapse. A synapse is the bridge that lets messages travel from one nerve cell or neuron to the next. A synapse is the bridge that lets messages to pass through. It is analogous to a bridge between two islands. You can consider islands as neurons or nerve cells. If the bridge is strong and busy, messages can cross easily. If the bridge is weak or rarely used, it may become smaller or less important. When you learn something new, your brain strengthens certain bridges. During sleep, the brain repairs, trims, and organizes these bridges so the most important ones stay strong. Did you know your brain pulls an all-nighter while you rest? When you learn something new, the exact same brain regions light up and become active again while you sleep. This nighttime replay happens during both REM means rapid eye movement sleep, and deep sleep we call slow wave sleep to lock that new information into your long-term memory. But it's not just mental replay. This process physically reshapes your brain by stimulating the growth of new microscopic connections called the dendritic spines to store these memories. Ultimately, sleep isn't downtime, it's the ultimate construction zone for your mind. Every time you experience something new while awake during the day, like practicing a motor skill or learning a new fact, the connections between these cells, called the synapses, actually grow stronger and larger. This is called local synaptic potentiation. It takes a lot of energy, and by the end of the day, your brain is absolutely packed with these heavy, high energy connections. This is where sleep comes to the rescue. According to scientists Tononi and Surelli, when you sleep, your brain activates a smart reset process called synaptic downscaling. Instead of keeping everything at maximum volume, your brain uniformly dials back the strength of these connections. During deep, slow wave sleep, our brain pulls off an incredible memory saving process. The chemical or neurotransmitter acetylcholine levels drop during slow wave sleep, opening communication pathways for memory transfer. It functions like a file transfer system, moving the day's temporary memories from the hippocampus short-term storage to the neocortex for a long-term preservation. To enable this, brain chemical called acetylcholine significantly decreases, opening necessary communication pathways. At the same time, three distinct brain waves, sharp wave ripples, sleep spindles, and slow oscillations synchronize fully to securely transmit and lock this data. Ultimately, deep sleep ensures that what we learned today becomes a permanent part of tomorrow. During rapid eye movement sleep, a surge in the neurotransmitter acetylcholine allows different regions of the brain to communicate through unique feedback loops. This process helps your brain integrate brand new memories with your existing lifelong knowledge. By forming these unexpected connections overnight, REM sleep actively fosters creative insights and cognitive flexibility. This is exactly why you often wake up with fresh, innovative solutions to complex problems that seemed completely unsolvable the night before. Ultimately, getting quality REM sleep is a powerful built in tool for natural problem solving and creative thinking. Retrieval isn't just pulling a file from a drawer, it is an active reconstructive process. Every time you access a stored memory, you reactivate your brain's neural pathways. This temporarily makes the memory pliable and open to subtle changes before it settles back down into storage. Essentially, remembering something actually alters the memory itself, meaning our past is constantly being reshaped by the present. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Please share this knowledge and pass it on to your friends and family members today. Let's help everyone unlock their full potential, one night's great sleep at a time.